Hello students, this is Shivam Sharma and today I am going to teach you arithmetic progression. So before starting this topic, let me tell you a story. One day one of my friend, his name is Kapil, he got a job offer with a monthly salary of 50,000 rupees with an annual increment of 3,000 rupees. Okay, so he got so much happy and went to his home. So there he told his mother that I got this much offer and let's plan for my marriage. Okay, so whenever anyone gets this much offer, he just started planning for their future. Okay, so in that way he told his mother. On that statement, his mother replied to him that when you get a monthly salary of 71,000, then I will think about your marriage. Okay, so now he just got so much excited to know that after how many years he will be getting married. Okay, so he just started calculating that how many years he will took to get this much monthly salary. So after 1 year, he got a salary of 53,000. Sorry, 50,000 plus 3,000, it will become 53,000. After 2 years, it will become 53,000 plus 3,000 as 56,000. Okay, sorry, one extra zero I have added. Okay, so this much salary he is getting after 2 years, and if he go in this way, then he has to calculate so many things. Like, he just got confused that how many years I will have to work before getting married. So he just got so much confused. Then he came to me and he tell his story. Like, he said that I got this and this offer, and my mother told that I have to get 71,000 per month salary, then he will plan about his marriage. So as a math expert, I just told him, let me help you. I will give you a simple formula that will make you comfortable to calculate how many years it will take. So in that case, we will come with the arithmetic progression. Okay, because as you can see, every year he is increasing a constant amount, like 3,000 every year it is increasing. So this means that a arithmetic thing, like a constant amount of thing, is increasing every year. Okay, so arithmetic progression means an increment or a decrement by a constant amount. Okay, so let me tell you in more detailed way. So let's take another example. We have a series of like that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So what you have observed there, like in between 2 and 4 it is a difference of 2. In 4 and 6 it is a difference of 2. In 6 and 8 it is again a difference of 2. So we have a constant difference. Okay, so these type of sequence are known as arithmetic progressions because they have a constant difference. So in my friend Kapil case, he also getting an increment of 3000 every year. Okay, so it is a constant amount he is getting. Okay, so now in the first year, after completing 1 year, it become 53,000. Okay, in the second year it will become 56,000. In third year, after third year, it will become 59,000. So and so on. Okay, so if I take it as a different values, like if I denote them with a variable like 50,000 is denoted by A and 3000 is denoted by D. Let's say, okay, so 50,000 denoted by A and D denotes the 3000 increment every year. So the first, after 1 year, the salary will be A plus D, correct? In the second year, it will become A plus D plus D, correct? In third year, it will become A plus D plus D plus D, and so on. Okay, now it is A plus D, now it is A plus 2D, and this is A plus 3D, and so on. So it is after completing 1 year. So in the 0th year, in the start, he is 50,000 only. That is equal to A. Okay. So after 1 year, like so the first term will be 50,000. In the start, he will be getting only 50,000. After 1 year, like then this in the second year, in the same company, his salary will be become 53,000. Correct. In the third year, it will become 56,000. Okay. So in that way, if we take these values, then this is become first term, this will become second term, this will become third term, and this will become fourth term. Okay, so why I am telling about in terms? Are you getting it? Why I am telling these values in the form of terms? Like first term has 0 coefficient of D, correct? In the second term, the coefficient of D is 1 only. So if I write it like that, A plus 1D only, correct? In the third term, the coefficient of D is only 2. And in the fourth term, the coefficient of D is 3. So here one thing we observe that in the first term, the coefficient of D is 1 minus 1, like 0. In the second term, it is 2 minus 1, like we can write 1 as, so if I write here in the above, so first term we can write as A plus 1 minus 1 into D, correct only. The second term we can write as 1 A plus 2 minus 1 into D, correct only. The third term we can write as A plus 3 minus 1 into D, then we will get 2D now. And the fourth term we can write as A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So if I ask you what will be the nth term, so directly we can say now that if the fourth term is this one, then we can directly say the nth term, it is denoted by an. So the nth term will become A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is only the single formula to represent the general term of an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. So this is the formula he needed to calculate the number of years. Wow, this makes so simple. Now he just have to put the values, like AN will become the 71,000 salary he want after n years. So AN will become 71,000, A will become the 50,000, which is the starting salary, and he has to calculate, and D will become 3,000 only. Sorry, D will become 3,000 only. Now it will become so simple, na? Let me calculate the value of n. Okay, so we got AN as 71,000, A as 50,000, D as 3,000. Okay, so we have to calculate n. Now we have the formula AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Correct only. So AN is 71,000 equal to 50,000 plus n minus 1 into 3,000. Let me write this thing. Okay. Oh, now it will become 71,000 minus 50,000 equal to n minus 1 into 3,000. Correct only. Now it will become 21,000 equal to n minus 1 into 3,000. So n minus 1 will become 7. So n will be 8. So in the 8th year, or after completing 7 years in the same organization, he got a salary of 71,000. So he has to wait for 7 years. It becomes so easy after using this formula. Have you seen it? He do not need to calculate, like every year he should add 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, and then he calculate this value and check how many times he write 3,000. He do not need this thing. It will become very easy with this formula. But how this formula came? This formula came from this arithmetic progression. So this is the main purpose of studying arithmetic progression. It will make easy to understand the value of a progression which having a constant difference in the consecutive terms. So let me come to the definition of arithmetic progression. Okay, so the actual meaning of arithmetic progression is, it is a progression having a constant difference in two consecutive numbers. Okay, so this is the definition of arithmetic progression. Now, what is this constant difference mean? So constant difference is also named as common difference. Common difference. It is denoted by D, small d value. Okay, so this common difference is the most important part for this arithmetic progression. Now let me tell you some important thing about this common difference. Okay, before that, let me give you one more progression. Okay, now I have a sequence like 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, -2. So tell me whether it is a arithmetic progression or not. So if you see here, it has a constant difference of -2. This two terms has a difference of -2 again. These two terms also have a difference of -2. Again, these also, and so on. So all of these numbers has a difference of -2 only. Okay, so they have a constant difference. So they are also known as arithmetic progression. Progression doesn't mean that the sequence is always increasing. Okay, progression means only they have a sequence which follow a certain pattern. Okay, so here the pattern is they have a constant difference. Okay, so a common difference of any two terms, common difference of any two terms can be positive, negative, or 0. Okay, so common difference can be positive, as we see in the salary of a couple. Okay, it can be negative, like we see a sequence having starting with 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So they have a common difference of negative value. Okay, and it can also be 0. So if we write a sequence like 1, 1, 1, 1, so this is also arithmetic progression with 0 common difference. Okay, so the difference in these values is a 0. So these are also known as arithmetic progressions. So I hope you got all these things. So the general term of an arithmetic progression is given by an equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, where a is the first term, okay, d is common difference, and n is a natural number. Okay, so here an give the nth term of this AP. So I hope you like this session, and we will meet in the next session. Thank you.